Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: macOS up to date and a current time machine or external backup. Next, open System Settings and sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, create it now because iCloud requires an Apple ID. Once signed in, go straight to iCloud settings and toggle iCloud Drive on. Make sure to pick the folders and apps you want to sync: Documents, Desktop, Photos, because this defines what transfers across your devices. Once iCloud Drive is active, manage storage so sync won't fail. Click Manage Storage to view plan usage and upgrade if you expect more than the free 5 GB. Then, enable Desktop and Document Sync and confirm Photos, Mail, Contacts, and Calendar toggles. This organizes where items live. Next, create or move files into iCloud Drive folders and set up shared folders for collaboration. Finally, check each app's preferences to ensure app-specific sync is enabled. This prevents missing data and avoids duplicate copies. To finish, verify synchronization by opening Finder's iCloud Drive and visiting iCloud.com. Confirm files match across devices. Make sure your Mac has a stable network and enough disk space because low space causes stalled sync. If things go wrong, sign out of Apple ID and sign in again, restart the Mac, and check System Settings right arrow iCloud for error messages. Also review Manage Storage to remove old backups or upgrade your plan. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.